Okay, so the question asks, what height will these balls meet? So Da Vinci is throwing a ball upwards and a ball is coming down right at. So we have to find out at what height these two balls will meet. So we have to find this pretty much here. And so the building is 67 meters tall, and the velocity coming down is 0 meters per second, and the initial velocity going up is 30.0 meters per second. So what do we do? Well, let's set up our equation. Well, first we have to find where they're going to meet. So one equation is going to be x minus, so this is our final position, and this is going to be, we could actually use y here since it's on the y-axis, so yf, and it's going to be final minus initial. So what's the initial for Da Vinci throwing the ball up? Well, he's at 0. His height is 0 because he's 0 feet tall. And then this is going to equal our, this is our equation. It's going to be our displacement equals the, initial velocity times time plus 1/2 acceleration t squared. So that's our equation we're looking at, and we're just plugging in those numbers. So v initial is 30.0, and that's plus 1/2 acceleration. What's the acceleration? Well, it's not given, so it's gravity. And what is gravity? It's negative 9.81 meters per second squared, so negative 9.81, and in parentheses, and then t, what is our time? Well, we just, again, t, missed a t here, t squared. So that is our first equation. Now, what's our next equation? Well, same thing, y final minus, so final minus initial. What's our initial here? It's 67.0 meters equals, and it's pretty much plug in the same exact thing. What's our v initial? Well, it's 0. So 0 times time, what is that? 0. So then we're just left with the 1/2. What's gravity? Negative 9.81 t squared, right? Now, what do we see that's in common? Well, it's the y final, or the position where they're going to meet. So what do? We should make those equal to each other. So how do we do that? Well, we just add this to that side, and this one's already 0. So we get our yf for this one equals 30.0 times time plus 1/2 negative 9.81 times squared, and that is going to be equal to our other y of f, which is going to be 1/2 times negative 9.81 times time squared, and then we have to add this 67 to this side, so plus 67.0, and now the yf's are equal, and we just use our numeric solver. So we go to math, numeric solver, and our E1, just plug in 30.0 times time, which can be x, plus 0.5, negative 9.81, and then x squared, or t squared, and that's going to equal 0.5, negative 9.81 times time squared plus 67.0, and enter, make this 0. What do we do? Alpha solve. What do we get? We get t equals 2.33 seconds. So now we have our time now, so this is when they're going to meet, but we have to find out what height the balls will meet. So how do we do this? Well, we simply just plug in our time into any one of these. So let's do this one. So yf equals 30.0 times 2.33 plus 1/2 negative 9.81 times 2.33 squared. Let's just plug that in. 30.0 times 2.33 plus negative 9.81 times times 2.33 squared. And our answer is our y final equals 16.6 meters. So this, where they will meet, is 16.6 meters. And that is our final answer. That's where the balls will meet.